little bit about each of these, how they're different, and then why we use one in one place versus the other. This one is actually a plastic cavity. This is the ventilation unit on top. And then this, ew, it's gross, look. Insert that goes in and captures the water. The water is captured here and falls in, I think you can see that, in here. It actually smells lovely. These drop-in tabs start. It's about maybe an inch in thickness. It has captured that much water. So originally it filled this whole cavity and it has disintegrated about this much in a month. The other solution I equally like are these damp rid bags. This was what we used at first until we found the other solution. I like to hang this on the back of a door. This is probably a powdered version of this. Because the water comes through this paper backing, it diffuses through this, and then when this whole thing will fill up with water. Probably the equivalent amount of water will fill up in this bag. So in my opinion, if you're trying to decide between the two, it doesn't matter as far as function goes. If you care about appearance, you just have to buy these refillable tabs, drop a new one in, super easy. If you want the easiest solution and you don't care about looks, this is so easy. I hang it up, I set my alarm for 1 month, I go back, I take it down and put a new one out.